Hello guys, welcome back to another POV. Dutchcarsofficial here. We're going to the store, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with us. I'm with a friend.
Hello guys.
That's Nick. That's the guy of the polo video that you saw, the POV. So if you didn't follow him yet, go follow him. And we will be having some fun, I think. So I've just recorded a video just a few moments ago. So we're in the workflow. We will be waiting a little bit for the car to get warm, otherwise we will be really breaking the car, and that's not what I want, because I still need a car. I hope you guys enjoyed, because you all said a lot of good messages. I'll put one of them on the screen, and I really enjoyed hearing that you guys like to see this POV stuff. Oh, my windows are really dirty again. I've just washed the windows, if you can believe me, but I don't know what I did wrong, but it still is really dirty, at least on the right side. So my side is pretty okay, but it looks really dirty. So I will let you enjoy a little bit of the sound of the car, because it's actually a little bit warm. So enjoy the pool. Quick pool, if you ask me. That was a quick 120, but we really need to watch out here, because they have been watching how fast you go around these ends. So we need to keep it nice and slow. And you guys have already seen this road a million times, so I'll skip ahead in time and we will see you when we're out of this road. So we're outside of that zone. Normally we go to the right here. It's another 60 road, but today we'll go through the speed bumps so that you guys see what I'm dealing with. Having a low car in the Netherlands is really annoying actually, but I still like it. But it's so annoying to go over speed bumps. I don't know how well this is seen in the camera. But these ones, they are really high, and that one is even higher. So we will be seeing how this will go. You know they are high when you have to take them in second gear. Then you know that they are really high and really fucked up. If someone of the Netherlands is watching that makes the speed bumps, please make them a little bit lower, because this is just scratching the bottom of my car all day long. And also it's costing me a lot of gasoline, because I think that was the bottom of my car. I think I scratched it a little bit, and I did not went hard over it. I went pretty slow, so that's really fucked up. But yeah, oh well, what can you do? We have to live with it, unfortunately. But you can hear the pops pretty well, so that means the car is good, is really warm. So we have found some nice roads near us with a tunnel, and we will be recording there today, but that will be the next POV video. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, because we will record that after this one, and you'll have to wait a while to see it, but trust me, it's worth it, because I went over there a few days ago, and the sound in the tunnels is really amazing. And now especially with the sunroof open makes really nice sound, so you can hear it very well. So we will be making sure to do a few runs that you can hear it pretty good, so that you can get a better feeling of the car. And if you want a bypass like this, let me know in the comments, and I can send you the contact info of the guy who did it. It's really not that expensive for a bypass, because normally those are above 1k. Oh no, almost. Normally those are above 1k, and this one I did it at a time for 600. So I got the muffled delete, Like the middle muffler is gone and the bypass is for the back mufflers. So really nice sound for a 4-cylinder. It's a really amazing sound. I didn't expect it. I thought it would be a little bit more, how did you call it? Like a really canny sound, you know, like when you scream inside of a can, that kind of sound. I don't know how you say that in English, so I'm sorry for that. If someone knows it, let me know in the comments, because I have no idea how you call that type of sound, like a screechy sound. So I'm really happy that that didn't happen to me. So someone enjoy the car. Always nice to see when people show some love for the Tibi. It's a small community, so I'm trying to make it bigger and bigger. And I love seeing people just looking at the car like it's a Supra, but it ain't no Supra, because I'm really slow. So we're almost near the store. We'll be getting something to drink, and we will record the next video after this one. So make sure to subscribe if you didn't do it yet, because that's a POV that you don't want to miss. And we will be also doing in the future like really big tunnel runs, so be sure to also stay tuned for that, because that will be really amazing. Oh, do you see this car? Hate it. Really don't like this type of Volkswagens. Fully electric, don't hear anything. That takes really a whole lot of the experience of driving a car away from me. What is bro doing? Oh, it's not a bro, it's a sister. What is she doing? I will be parking just here. It's a good parking spot. So I hope you enjoyed this POV. I enjoyed myself, hope you also did. Let me know if you want to see more of those, and we will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.